class. So last night I had a dilemma. My roommate and I decided to bake a pizza. So do you guys know how many slices are usually in a pizza, like a pre-made pizza?
8?
8, yeah, there's 8 slices. So my roommate decided to eat 5 and I ate 3. So did my roommate eat more or less than I did?
More.
More. So what sign would you use for that? My roommate ate blank more than I did, or greater than or less than I did? Greater than. Can someone write the greater than symbol on the board and label it?
Randy volunteer.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Very good. And so I ate 3, so 3 is blank and 5.
Less than.
Less than. Can you write that on the board? Thank you. Alright, so we figured out there's 8 pieces, so how many pieces would both of us have to eat to have equal amounts? 4. Can someone write that 4 is equal to 4? Thank you. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to have the entire class come up here with me. And so I'm going to do people that have their hair down over here and people that have their hair up over here. So can you tell me if you are greater than or less than that group?
Less than.
Less than. And are you greater than or less than this group?
Greater than.
Very good. Does anyone have any other examples of how they can mix match? You can do like colors or shoes.
Boots. We can do boots and not boots.
Boots and not boots. I'll be with the boots. I'm wearing boots today. So would you like to say if we are greater than or less than that group?
You're greater than.
And you guys are?
Less than.
Less than. Can anyone come up with an example of how we would be equal to?
I thought boots were going to be good. I didn't know you had.
Yeah.
But
I just-
so no, that's all right.
You guys do.
Now we're equal to. Like they have purples. And
Yeah,
oh,
purple.
Oh, I didn't see that. Pants and dresses.
Pants and dresses. Perfect.
Unless you can't be.
That's
Visor
okay.
and visor.
Very cute. All right, thank you. You guys can return to your seats. So now I'm going to pass out these mats and beans.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I've never seen beans like this, teacher.
Yeah, they're kidney beans. I kind of had my lima beans stolen, so I had to improvise.
They look like they have mustard on them.
Mustard. Do you
They're
like
little hot
mustard?
dogs with mustard.
Little
yeah.
hot dogs with mustard. I like
Yeah.
hot dogs with mustard. Do you guys like hot dogs with mustard
No,
or ketchup?
I like ketchup.
Mustard. Katie, do you like mustard or ketchup?
No.
Neither.
No.
Do you like to eat hot dogs?
Don't like hot dogs.
Don't like hot dogs. That's okay. So what we're going to do is, if you remember yesterday, we did a shake and stir activity. So you're going to take out your beans. And you're going to pick up 10. So make a group of 10 on your green side and a group of 10 on your white side. Alright, perfect. And we're going to do group work. So Dr. Beasley, if you want to
You
sit
can call
with
me
Katie.
Susie. Yeah.
Susie. Thank you. All right, so the student next to the window is going to go first. So you're going to pick up your green side, all of your green side beans, and you're going to shake them in your hand, and then you're going to spill them onto the green side. So however many yellow you had that is going to be your first number, and however many brown you had, that is going to be your second number. So you can add those two numbers together, and you have dry erase markers if you want to write it on the bottom.
You want us to add?
Add. Perfect. All right, now you can pick up the other side and do the exact same thing.
Oops. What's that one? Is it yellow?
All right, so with your markers, now in the middle you're going to say if the beans are greater than, less than, or equal to the product that you came up with. Now, can you tell me, are those problems the same, 7 plus 3 and 6 plus 4?
Not exactly.
No, they're not the same, but does it still equal 10?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So our partners are going to take 2 off of their green side. And they're going to take their green side and pick them up and shake and spill. And you can do the same thing. Add yellow plus brown.
That one's not very good, is it?
And you can pick up the other side and do the exact same thing
With 8 or 10?
with 10.
Oh. Oh, no.
Oh no, you're so scared.
No, I just put together.
They-
So how many beans did you get on your white side?
10,
And how many did you get on your green side?
38.
So is the white side greater than or less than?
Greater than.
Greater than, and then yours would be less than. Awesome. All right, so now you can put the beans back in your bag. Or actually, sorry, you don't have to put them back in your bag, but just grab out a few more. You don't have to count exactly. And then put them all together. You can pick up however many you want. And then the partner closest to the windows are going to be the white side, and the partners closest to this side are going to be the green side. So, or sorry, partners closest are going to be the green side. Partners towards me are going to be the white side. So you're going to make your own equations now. So you can shake and spin. There you go. So you're going to have to work together to see what your partner got.
And you can take as many as you want.
As many as you want. I'm so sorry about that.
Oops.
So you have 9 and you have 10, so which one is greater?
10.
Yes.
10 is greater than
10 is greater than 9, and then what would you say? If 10
Nine
is
is less than
exactly. And what did you have?
10. 6.
And you had?
9.
So 6 is greater than, less than, or equal to 9.
less than.
And 9 is
Greater than.
greater than 6. Very good. All right, you guys can keep working on that. But this time, we should do subtraction. So whichever side is bigger, the yellow or the brown side, that's going to be your first number, and then you're going to subtract the second number.
You said yellows. Sorry.
No, it's fine. You were going to pick however many you want up, and then put it down.